Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see unknown callers on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you receive calls from unknown callers and if you want to know their number and name that who is the one who called you on your iPhone iOS 26. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have inserted the physical SIM, and if you have eSIM, then it is working properly. So first of all, I will tell you one by one what you can do is you can simply first of all copy and paste the metadata from your call log, and you can also check your carrier call logs or use third-party caller ID apps. So you have the three methods. So first one method you can try is, or you can simply dial *69, and after that you can simply tap on call. Then it will automatically call you the recent number which you got call from. And the next thing is you can copy and paste the caller ID. So if your sometimes hidden call data is logged in your stream, and if it's displays unknown. So what you have to do, you have simply go to your phone app and you have to click on your recents. So sometimes if you see some unknown number in your phone app, then you can simply click on your phone number, and after that you can simply click on that recent option, and after that you can simply click on I button. After you can simply get the detail about that number. Moreover, you can also, if a number is partially hidden or shows as unknown, press and hold the text and tap copy. Go to the keypad, paste in your text number, and may it reveal the true phone number to you. For example, if some number is hidden, then you can simply copy and paste it to the text so that you can simply get the number you want. And the third one is you can simply check your carrier logs. So for this, you have to simply log in into your network provider online portal like TNT and other Vodafone or anything like that. You can simply navigate to your billing or section to view your detailed call history and logs. Or moreover, you can also use third-party apps, caller ID apps, to check who one is the person which call you, like Truecaller and any other third-party application. Moreover, you can also filter and block future unknown calls. For this, you have to simply go to settings app phone, and after that you can simply click on silence unknown calls. For this, you have to simply go to the phone app and you can select block unknown calls. So here you have to go to phone apps, and after that you can simply click on silence unknown calls. So here is the option available, silence unknown call. Then you can simply turn on this feature. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.